could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to cry. Don't ask me why. You see, things are not the way they used to be.